1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me.
Hello gems, welcome back to another video. My name is Natea. So this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. They were kind enough to send me over this week's review for you guys. So this is a package. You know, Luvme Hair always come through with this nice purple package, and I'm here for it. So in this box you do get a lot of goodies. I'm not sure if you guys one will come with that, but this one did. You get this nice cute gray headband. You get some hairpins. We can't get enough hairpins. You do get a edge brush, and this is the wig, guys. I thought that my lighting was good, but it's not. But it's a 13x4 bob side part wig, and yeah, let's just get into the install and everything like that. Okay, so I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera. I did over bleach the knots a little, and I had to go in with some black dye to kind of save it. I didn't show that, and when you guys see me show you the inside of the wig, you're gonna be seeing some black spots, and it's because of the dye that I use. I didn't have the time, so I just hurried and did something. Okay, so to adhere this to my head, I'm not gonna be using any glue. I'm gonna be using this spray, and this is the Eben Wonder Lace spray. I love this thing, guys. It is just absolutely awesome, and I only use one layer, and it was so hard for me to get the wig off my head. So if you want to keep it on longer, you can use more than one layer, but I don't generally keep my wigs on for more than a day, if that long anyway. So I'm just showing you guys how I do the middle part. I spray it down, then I use my blow dryer, wait until it's tacky, put the lace on, then I spray some more on the lace itself so that the edge and stuff can, you know, be melted, and then I go in with my blow dryer on cool again, and with my rat tail comb, and just kind of press that in. I don't use my fingers because, you know, yeah. So this is the finished look. I did not really do all of it on camera. I just want you guys to see what I do when I'm adhering the lace to my head. And the part, it did come with a part. I think it's meant to be like a deep side part kind of wig. I kind of went for that too. I don't mind having that, so that's what that is. I'm just kind of cleaning up the part a little, just to make sure it's as clean as I can get it. Wasn't super clean, but it was as clean as I could get it. And again, the wig is from Luvme Hair, and it's their 13x4 deep part 8-inch wig. This is your everyday wig. So if you go to work, if you want something nice and easy, this is your everyday wig. You can wear this every day. You won't be hot. It's not hard to adhere either. You don't even have to glue all of it down. You can wear it glueless as well, because it did come with a strap. Not the regular strap, but you know what I'm saying. Yeah, that thing in the back that you can wear it glueless. So this wig does have 3 combs, I think. 2 on the sides, or 4. 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and I think 1 in the middle. And again, it is easy to manage. Anyone, if you're new to wigs, this is something that you can finesse on your own. To be honest, it's not that hard to install. I really like the wig, to be honest. It is pretty nice. And the only con I have with it, is that I wish the front was a little bit more thick. So this wig is 150% density, but I wish the wig was a little bit more thick. That would do it. That would make it excellent for me. It's not as thick as I would like in the front section, that is. The back is okay. I just wish the front was a little bit thicker, and it would be you know, chef kisses. But overall, it's not a bad wig. It's a good everyday wig. If you go to work or you just want something simple, it's a good wig, and I like it. You know, it's something that I haven't worn in a long time. If you guys are not new to my channel, you know that my first video was a wig like this, similar. So I really enjoy this, and it's been a long time since I've had my hair this short. I'm going in with my duo concealer, and I'm using the lighter shade just to put in the part to highlight it a bit, you know, just to make it, yeah. Okay, so after doing that, guys, the wig was really nice, as you guys can see. And this concealer duo is the bomb. If you wear wigs, you need to get something like this because it is so cute. I'm just going in with my flat iron and just kind of bumping the ends a little in the front. As I said, that is a section I just feel like it's a little too thin, and I wish there was a little bit more hair there. But overall, it is pretty nice. It's a nice wig. It gave me a different look. That's what the side is looking like. That side, the back, you know, it moves like stiff wear. It is not stiff at all. You see what I'm saying? And that is the other side. And guys, this wig it's nice. It's an everyday wig. It's affordable. It looks nice. It's everything about it is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna be leaving the link to the wig in the description box. If you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out. Again, this is Luvme Hair 13 by 4 deep side part 8-inch wig, and it's gorgeous. It's nice. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Keep slaying, queen. Peace. See you guys in the next one. Bye.